Unlock your body's potential. The 30-day push-up challenge. Hey, fitness warriors, welcome back to your fitness channel, where we're all about transforming lives through movement. I'm your name, and today, we've got a challenge that's going to unlock your body's full potential. You guessed it, the 30-day push-up challenge. Before we dive into the details, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss a beat. Let's get started. You wake up, and the first thing you do is knock out a set of push-ups. Each day, you're getting stronger, more confident, and inching closer to a version of yourself you've always envisioned. That's the power of the 30-day push-up challenge. Now, you might be wondering, why push-ups? Well, besides being a killer full body workout, they require no equipment, and you can do them anywhere. Plus, the benefits go beyond just building muscle. We're talking increased endurance, improved posture, and a serious boost in overall strength. But hey, if you're thinking, not a push-up pro, no worries. This challenge is for everyone. We're starting with the basics and gradually leveling up. It's all about progress, not perfection. Personal connection. I remember when I first started this challenge. It wasn't easy, but every drop of sweat was a step closer to a fitter me. And let me tell you, the sense of accomplishment after completing those 30 days, unbeatable. So, here's the deal. I challenge you to join me on this 30-day journey. Comment below with a "I'm in," and let's create a supportive community. And don't forget to grab a friend or family member to do it with you. It's always more fun with a workout buddy. Each week, we'll mix it up with different push-up variations, from standard push-ups to diamond push-ups and everything in between. Plus, we'll have weekly check-ins and motivational boosts to keep you going strong. By the end of this challenge, you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. But hold on, I've got some tips to ensure success. Stay tuned until the end for the secret sauce that'll make this challenge not only effective, but enjoyable too. Before we jump into day one, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends who need a fitness boost. Now, who's ready to unlock their body's potential? Hit that "I'm in" the comments and let the 30-day push-up challenge begin. Alright, squatties, I'm pumped for this journey together. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about progress. I'll see you on day one of the 30-day push-up challenge. This is your name, signing off. Let's crush it.